Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to see or you check your system specification on your PC or laptop on Windows. So I'll tell you the several ways in order to check your PC specification or aspects or properties. So the first way is you guys have to just simply click on the start button and open up your phone Windows settings. So after clicking on start, I'm gonna opening the settings, and here in the settings you guys have to just simply go to the left panel and click on the set system, and here you guys have to just simply scroll down and click on the last option, which is about. And in the about section you guys can be able to see the device specifications and Windows specification. In the device specifications you guys can be able to see the device name, processor, installed RAM, device ID, product ID, system type, pin and touch. And in the Windows specification you guys can check the edition of your window or installed variant of your Windows, or you guys can check the installation date on your Windows and many more. So this is the first way to check your device specification. Another way to check the specification and lot more specification, so you guys have to just simply go to the search bar and search for system info. So after searching for system info, it will appear. You guys have to simply open it. So after opening up the system information, here it will provide you lots of specification about your Windows. So you guys can check from here, and in this section you guys can also expand the several aspects of your system. So if you want to check the hardware aspect of your window, you guys have to simply click on the plus button to expand the area, and here you guys can check the hardware resources specifications like input or output and many more. And in the component section you guys can also check the display specifications or many more. And in the software environment section you guys can also check the lots of multiple specifications. And the another method is you guys have to just simply go to the command prompt. So you guys have to simply go to search bar and search for command prompt and open it. So after opening up the command prompt, here you guys have to just simply type the prompt, which is system info.exe. So after searching for system info.exe, you guys have to just simply click on enter, and it will automatically opens up the Windows specifications for you and system specifications for you. So in this way you guys can get the lots of information about your Windows. And in the last method, here you guys have to just simply press the alt, control and delete simultaneously in order to open up the task manager. So after pressing that, here it will appear. You guys have to just simply click on task manager, and in the task manager here you guys can be able to see the performance section, and in the performance section you guys can check the real-time usage of your performance of your CPU or your GPU or memory. So in this way you guys can extract lots of information about your Windows on your PC or laptop in these ways. I hope these all methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.